The Spring City Service Blitz started with the goal of fixing 9,000 potholes. It's already surpassed that. It makes traffic a pain, but it will make driving a lot smoother. Good.
Oh my God, no, it is a pain.
It's a pain in the you-know-what while it's happening, but I'm hopeful that it will be fixed and everything will be smooth.
All over the city, you will see orange cones and city workers working on potholes and road resurfacing. Parts of Falls Road are jammed, making for slow traffic. On Tuesday, we found people grumbling in their cars, some even yelling bad words out the window when we stopped.
They'll probably have more potholes and more potholes after this because we always have a problem with potholes. So I hope they can fix them once and for all, but it is a pain. It's all the way out Falls Road.
After quickly fixing 9,000 potholes, the city has a new goal of repairing 19,000, and they are well on their way. City DOT tweeted Tuesday that 16,574 potholes have been repaired. To do that, the DOT doubled deployment crews and increased the citywide target pothole repairs. While some say the work is a pain, others say let the work get done.
I'm glad to see it. There's a lot of potholes in the city. These are narrow old roads, so I'm sure that I'll just be patient and get through it.
I'm glad to see that the infrastructure is being changed throughout Baltimore, so I think it's something needed, and I think we just have to stay calm throughout the process and let it happen.
To find out how to report a pothole where you live, go to the WBAL TV app. Lisa Robinson, WBAL TV 11 News.